So welcome to Q4 Partner Call. Thank you so much for joining. We're very pleased to have you all with us today. The major goal of this call is to announce and clarify any questions you may have on the recent launch of the BindTuning website and the BindTuning new web application. So we have announced it to the world yesterday, and it is now available for both partners and customers. And the agenda for today is to give you a quick overview of what the BindTuning solution is, how we're seeing the offering evolving from now onwards, how we are pricing and licensing the solution, and how we are deploying the solution starting today, and how we are seeing the new deployment method evolving from now onwards. There are also some important updates on the partner experience, and throughout the call, I'm going to highlight a couple of important updates um, um, on the what's new in each of these topics and on the frequently asked questions that I know that you're going to have. But please unmute yourself whenever you're free, whenever you feel that there's the need to do so. So I want this to be a participative call. If you feel there's a need to, please unmute yourself. Otherwise, we can also have time for Q&A at the end. You can either type your questions along the way and I can address them at the end. So congratulations to everyone who has participated in these very enthusiastic but hard-working months. We have done major alterations in the way we position and experience BindTuning. And it's very clear when you log in, or actually when you access the BindTuning website, and even the brands and the brand colors, the brand positioning, everything has changed. And our motto and our brand motto, our mission statement, everything has changed. And this is our new brand motto. So we added it to our cake, celebration cake, yesterday. So it's don't get boxed in. And what we're aiming to say with this is we aim to redefine collaboration with a new intranet experience that is more powerful than out of the box and more flexible than intranet in a box. So we always juggle with these box in a box, out of the box expressions, and we really want to push you out of the box and in a box, outside of the box, inside the box. So we want to be more powerful than out of the box, more flexible than in the box. So congratulations to the team and congratulations to the partner community that definitely brought us here. So how do we see the BindTuning offering today after this repositioning and after this rebrand? So BindTuning is the single solution for the enterprise to build connected workspaces on top of Microsoft SharePoint, Microsoft Office 365, and Microsoft Teams. And it gives you exactly what you need to easily design, build, and create engaged teams. So we're giving you exactly the same tools you had until now. So BindTuning themes, BindTuning web parts, and the BindTuning web parts for Microsoft Teams, but now with enhanced licensing flexibility, with a more seamless deployment experience, all of that with a more engaging and more informative website, and a new deployment method that is available through a website app that is an provisioning engine in steroids, like a partner told me once. So that's the aim of this new website and BindTuning rebrand and repositioning. So it's making your life and your customers' life easier, both from a licensing and an experiencing and deployment perspective. So we're keeping the products that you already know. So the themes, the web parts, the starter kits, the web parts for teams, we're keeping that as you know them. We're just making them independently. So we're giving them we're going back. So for the partners who've worked with us for a long time, we're going back to the model in which we've sold the themes separate from the web part subscription. And we're calling the themes the new design feature. We're calling the web parts the new build feature. And we're calling the teams, or the web parts for teams, we're calling that the teams feature. So we now have a solution, which is BindTuning, with 3 different independent features. So design, build, and teams. And we're making the 3 features licensed in a uniform, unique way, which is an annual subscription. Trials will still be available of these 3 things, but you will only have 1 trial active once at once. And that will make your life easier, especially for themes. And that's because because you're going to be licensing a theme subscription, okay? And having a theme subscription gives you access to our entire gallery of base themes. So as you may remember, BindTuning has over 26 base designs that you can then go and customize, right? So with the theme subscription, you have unlimited access to that gallery, unlimited downloads throughout the 1-year period. So you only need 1 trial active, right? So the web part subscription will remain the same web part subscription that you know. So you will subscribe to that once, you'll trial that once. And the teams will be an extra add-on. So the web parts for teams will be an add-on on top of the web parts for SharePoint. So summing up, what's new on pricing and licensing? The theme subscription, and very important to understand, once a theme subscription expires, or if one of your customers decides that they won't be renewing a theme subscription, and like what you had until now with a perpetual licensing subscription, the theme will stop working. So it will be just like you have now with the web parts, an expired or non-renewed theme license subscription will not give you any further access or use right over your themes. Okay? So subscription renewal is mandatory to keep using any BindTuning themes. The customer or the partner will be notified ahead of the renewal. And if at a certain point in time, you or the customer decide that you won't be renewing the subscription, BindTuning products, either the theme or the web parts, should be removed of the environment. The enterprise intranet, and this is a new topic, so end of sale of the enterprise intranet, which was, for the partners who may be newer to the BindTuning Partner Program, enterprise intranet, so the combination, the bundle that we have of web part subscription plus theme, plus the provisioning engine, plus the starter kits or former templates. Customers who have enterprise intranet subscriptions, they will be able to still renew that bundle, but they will also be able to upgrade to the new design plus build licensing model. And that will be significantly more beneficial to them, because with the design subscription, they have multiple or unlimited customizations and downloads of themes, while with the enterprise internet, they just get once every year, right? So still, this won't be automatic. Okay, so if your customers are willing to stay with their enterprise internet subscription, they will be able to keep with their existing plan and renew their existing plan. So if you have customers who are willing to upgrade to their existing enterprise internet to Design Plus Build, please send me an email and we will do that for you. Okay? So I have here a list of FAQs. I will answer these on the call, but please, if you have any further questions, type them on the chat window and I will make my best to answer them. So, are Design, Build, and Teams add-on trials available? Yes. The only difference is to start a trial with BindTuning now, you have to go inside